Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Misa Budget. So right now, tutur ko kayo dito sa mga available units natin kay Brixton Place. Okay po. Hello po, so kamusta kayo? So right now, nandito ako in one of the available units in Brixton Place kay Weston Tower. So ito po yung second building. So dito kasi meron pa tayong tatlong one bedroom unit na available. So nandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga available units na na one bedroom. So nasa atrium level siya. So kagandahan nito, may garden sa harap and andito yung sky patio. And this unit is facing towards the amenity level. Samahan ko kayo dito po sa sky patio natin. And then dito rin nakagandahan nito, kaharap niya si Brixton Fair Lane. So nakikita ninyo ito, andito si Fair Lane, and then ang view niya, actually may view siya ni Fair Lane, and view niya rin si this one is facing this is Flair, okay, and then Greenfield, okay. So yun po yung view niya. Actually yung unit na yon is the one, yung second balcony from the patio. So ayan yung view niya. And then on the other side, ito hindi nakita dito, pero this one is sa may that's Allegra Garden Place and Prisma Residences. O diba? Ang ganda nitong unit location na to. And then ito po yung yung sky patio. Ito yung sky patio dito. Yan, tapos ito yung elevator, and this is the unit. Ngayon, yung sample computation ipopost ko na lang dito po sa video na to para makita ninyo yung sample computation nitong unit na to. So this is I think this one is a 28 square meters, no one bedroom unit. Okay, meron siyang sariling enclosure. Yan, nakalock doon. So ito yung unit na facing. Yan. So ito yung empty balcony. Right? So that's Greenfield. So yun yung view niya. Diba? Ayan. So pwede tayong mag-view dito. Just send me a message. Okay? So pwede tayong mag-schedule. Ipapa-view ko sa inyo itong unit na to. So ngayon ito naman yung next natin. So the next available is the units behind the elevator. Okay, so ito yung unit 3821. So still this one is a one bedroom unit. Okay, so upon entering, ito yung kitchen cabinets. Yan. And then this is the living area. Okay. So for the computation yan, ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen. Makikita ninyo. Patay yung ilaw sa toilet and bath. Okay. So both units are in the atrium level. And both units, ito mas maganda, mas view niya si Ortiga. This one is EDSA, Flair, Shangri-La. Okay, so yan ang view niya. And then this one is ito si Fair Lane, and then pagtingin mo doon, nandun si Allegra Garden Place. So maganda rin po yung view natin dito sa unit na to. So ngayon, for those who wanted to view this unit and this project kay Brixton Place, message niyo lang ako. We may schedule the site viewing para at least pwede nating puntahan itong project na to para makita niyo actual. Okay. So ito yun, paglabas mo sa likod siya ng elevator, and this is the elevator side. Okay. Ayan. Alright. So ayan, so yun po yung mga available units natin dito kay Brixton. Meron pang isa 4510, pero hindi pa kasi nababalik yung susi. So standby kayo for the updates So ito po mga available na to as of today, September 9. Okay, September 9, 2023. Yun yung tatlong available na units natin dito kay Brixton. So kung gusto ninyo ma-view agad, 'di ba? And gusto niyo ma-reserve agad yung unit, nandiyan yung numbers ko. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Okay, you may schedule site viewing and online presentation for this project. Okay, so thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na mag-upload ako sa YouTube, notify po kayo. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. God bless. Stay safe. Bye-bye po.